So I've gotten pretty good at these. And I can do it in a little over 2 minutes. So I just have to take my word for it. I'm not going to time myself for nothing here. I'm not very good at the YouTube. I am getting used to talking to myself. I do talk to myself a decent amount, so it's not that weird. But and if you're watching this, you're probably pretty bored. But that's pretty mixed up. Pretty mixed up. Anyway. Alright, we'll start at 40 seconds on the clock, and we'll see if I'm done by 2:40. 40 seconds. I'm tripping myself. I'm gonna fumble it because I'm trying too hard. Cats are fighting. Fighting or playing? I don't know. Green, red. 2, 3. Green. If you cats don't knock it off, we're gonna have you for supper tomorrow night. I don't know if I'm in the frame on the camera here. I wasn't looking at that. I was just looking at the cube. Sorry, I'm humming. I'll be quiet. It's probably annoying. Also, I mumble a lot, so if you guys can understand me, you're doing pretty good. I kind of speak in cursive. I don't know if it's a legitimate speech impediment or if that's just a problem of my own. There we go, there we go. We're on the right track. Oh, we got 2. Okay. One more time. Okay. Oh, huh, 3:29. Well, a little more than 2 minutes. Anyway, if you watch that whole thing, you're probably pretty bored.